Toasty.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you already know what it is, baby. So hot, bro.
Dude, you should just grab them right now after
You're
they're smoking.
straight.
Dude, you can feel the heat.
I know.
Just keep threading it, keep twisting it. Super toasty.
Here we go. Oh shoot. That'll work, I guess. Ooh. Those are nice and glazed donuts, dude. Oh! Alright, let's cool those bad boys down real quick.
Yeah, so you don't want to have a reflection like this. That's no bueno. Fire in the hole.
Alright, now I can take these bad boys over. Do the old cleaner-rama.
Light them on fur.
Light them on fire. Yes, sir. We're working in our science lab today.
Cleaning station.
Cleaning station about to be done. And
We're just up close and personal with brake pads right now.
yes, sir. Get a little nice zoom on those bad boys. We're gonna do a little before and after. Now we gotta pull out the specialty tools, all right? Little secret compartment of.
Yeah, Logan's got a stash spot of sandpaper, brake cleaner, armor all sorts of silicones and sprays and whatnot, and some other stuff. So, ooh, did you see all that
Black crap come on.
gunk come off of that? Ooh, this is.
Oh yeah, look at that. We're bringing her back to life.
You just let that evaporate off right here in Logan's garage.
What up?
Gotta bleed the brakes today. My back brake is
Let me fill it in. Is it?
pretty squishy.
Oh yeah. Yep, that's exactly what I just did in my.
And front brake's still pretty good. It's actually starting to grab now. So we got the brake bleeding kit. We're gonna get that set up and start doing it. So here goes the time lapse. Logan's out testing the brakes we just bled. Also trying out Jocko Go. Real energy, zero crash. It's funky, but kind of good, but kind of weird. Give me a wheelie!
See if you can crush this can.
Oh! Dude! So I put my beanie on the back of Logan's wife's car and she left. But good news, I think we found it right down here. Fresh blue bison? Clean. Big shout out to Talon for the pro tip with the bike tube. So your battery doesn't rattle. It's a game changer. So appreciate it, dude.